All right, what's up everybody? In today's video, Melissa and I are going to take you through a walkthrough of Vanilla Trail, our newest property that we are hoping will generate over $10,000 a month. Okay, so now before I take you there to show you guys, I want to show you a couple things. I'm hanging out right now at the B&B camp. That's what I'll call it. I don't know. This is headquarters. And we have got a bunch of stuff already that we're going to be bringing over to Vanilla Trail. So let me show you what we got. So right in here, in the back of my truck, we have $1,300 worth of television so far. We still need to buy one more. And on top of all that, we've got about $750 in towels and vacuums and just all kinds of crazy stuff for the new house. And then inside of the garage, check this out. We have already purchased, look at this. We have already purchased almost $2,000 in art for Vanilla Trail. So we still got a ton of shopping to do. I'm going to take you guys on a bit of a shopping journey with us in one of our upcoming videos. But for today, let's go through the walkthrough of Vanilla Trail. We'll see the good, we'll see the bad, and we'll see the ugly. And you guys are going to see how we're going to take this place and we're going to transform it into a amazing Airbnb. All right, we just got to Vanilla Trail. One of the things I love about doing this business is I get to make it a family business. Say hello, boys.
Hi.
Hello. So I got my kids with me today, and they are with me to check out Vanilla Trail. And I'm trying to raise up some entrepreneur children. So hopefully they'll learn a thing or two today. Okay, here we are. Are you ready? We're about to step into Vanilla Trail. Okay, here we go.
It's filled with Amazon.
We are filled with Amazon boxes. Oh my goodness. I think we spent about $1,800 on Amazon the other day to get a bunch of stuff for this place. And here comes the Queen of Thorold herself. The one, the only Melissa Garnham. Say that again. What did you say?
Hi.
About the what did you say about the Queen of Thorold?
Yeah, beautiful and sexy.
Oh Lord, help us.
That's perfect.
Okay, time for all seriousness now. Going to be walking through here. So here is, I guess like a informal dining room. But I think what we'll do here is we'll probably put a games room or something. And then we come into the kitchen, which is very nice. It's one massive microwave. Oh my gosh.
I do not think that this is going to fit in the allotted spot. You're never supposed to measure like this, by the way.
Oh my gosh. Are you from Newfoundland or what? By the eye by. Oh my, okay.
I think it's too big and that we're going to have to measure it because why are you so close to me? And you always got to think like when you're taking glasses from a dishwasher, like to me this feels convenient to bring the dishes from here right over to here. If you want a drink from the fridge is right beside it.
So,
The coffee.
if you want to know, we're trying to figure out the best placement for these glasses.
Believe it or not, I've actually had guests complain about that before.
Okay.
At one of my properties. I had not complain, but they were like, you know, just a suggestion where you had your plates was in an inconvenient spot. So
All right, so one of the beautiful things about picking up Airbnbs is sometimes there's little quirks. And if you notice, what is missing? There's a handle missing.
too cheap to buy the last one, I guess.
All right, so we'll have to figure that out.
Love this backyard though.
Okay, so from here, the kitchen, we have another little dining area. This is probably where we will put a 6 or 8 seater table. I guess I kind of have to give you guys a better view here. All right. And then Melissa was just saying that the view here is awesome. So there's no rear neighbors. This is the view for our guests off the back deck. So that's very nice. All right, so we go from the kitchen. I'm currently sitting in this kind of informal dining area, and then we have the living room right here. And so the owner of this house actually left the couch. I don't know if I'm a fan. Like, you guys can't really see this in the video, but that is that is green. Maybe I get it if I go this way, but it is green. That is something else right there. But I think we'll try to make that work. And also we'll put a TV over here. All right, so Melissa is telling me to go check out the garage. Why am I checking out the garage?
Because it smells really bad. And we can't find the source.
Oh, absolutely horrible in here.
I know, right? Even the kids can't handle it.
What is, did you guys check the green bin?
I do not want to even open it.
All right, here we go. You ready? No, nothing in there. Could be the stove. This thing is ancient. Buddy wants to get some money out of it. No, there's nothing there either.
Maybe this cupboard?
Okay, let's check out the cupboard. We're looking for the source of the smell. Nothing. That is weird. I have no idea what that is. Wait, little garbage can right here. Nope, nothing there. Another garbage can here. Nothing there. Okay. I don't know what's causing the smell in here. But yeah, we're gonna have to mop this floor or something. Figure it out.
Yeah.
All right, so our goal today was to come in and do a deep clean, but we kind of took a different direction today only because there is so much stuff to unpack. And so we're gonna do a deep clean on the weekend. We're gonna bring 2 cleaners in. We're gonna bring in our other cleaner, Daisy. You guys have probably seen her in one of our videos. And then today we are going to focus on unpacking everything that we brought in so far. And like I said, I mean, we probably already spent $4,000 or $5,000 on stuff for the Airbnb. Okay, so as we come up the stairs, maybe I'll do a little wide angle zoom here for you. There you go. We have a loft as soon as you come up. I don't know if I'm a huge fan of these curtains. I don't know what we're gonna do with these yet. We might actually get a quote on getting some zebra blinds in, just because, I don't know. Something about curtains. I think blinds are just better to use. Okay, and so as we navigate through the house, upstairs, we come into, I guess, kind of the first bedroom, so to speak. So the owner has left a day bed here for us and some art. And again, we have these big, ugly curtains. My gosh. Okay, we'll have to figure something out with that. Ugh. But anyway, good sized room, right? I think it's a pretty good sized room. And then we have in here, we got Luke the Duke. And a bathroom. Okay, this is crazy. Okay, so I actually don't recall seeing this last time I was here. Okay, over on this side, I think we're okay. It's a Jack and Jill. Got it. Okay. All right, so we're gonna keep going. And so here's another bedroom, small, but I think we can still get a queen in here, Lukey. This is good.
In the last room, the carpet was a little bit bumpy, so they by me fixed it.
Nice, okay. Man, look at that curtain. Ugh. Oh man, we'll be replacing that. Okay, so we come out of this room, and look at this. Oh, okay, this is pretty cool. I like this. Hey, Luke, you want to open up that second door? Okay, right open. All right, look at that. Okay, we have our upstairs laundry, washer, dryer. This is great. Love it. Okay, so we continue down the hall, and that's the master where Luke's going, but we're going to wait to go in there. We're going to come check out bedroom number 3, okay? So let's jump right in here. All right, so not a huge bedroom by any means, but still a nice bedroom nonetheless. And so we have a closet, and then look at this. Oh, okay, wow. You want to turn that light on for me, Luke? Okay, light is turned on. I hate the color of these lights. Okay, let's go in. Man, we're gonna make this place look so nice. Look at the shower curtain, just absolutely hideous. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be going. And look at the shower rod. So they used to run an Airbnb here. And I'm not trying to be offensive by any means, but it's no wonder they didn't make any money. And look at this. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. All right, so that's another thing. We gotta get that fixed before we go live. That absolutely has to be fixed. Man, sometimes, look, there is good about doing this business. There is bad, and sometimes there's ugly. And right there, that's ugly. That means we got to get that tile fixed. I'll have to work with the landlord, work with the builders to try and get this thing ready to go. But, okay, anyways, not going to stress about that. Let's move into the master. Okay, so now we have the master. Is this the master bedroom, Lukey? Lukey wants to help me do the tour today. Okay, this is a nice sized room. I like it. Yeah. Very nice sized room. So we're going to put the king right over here against this wall. Okay. And then we'll put I guess a small dresser here. We're gonna have to put something small, TV. So we'll make that work. Look at this though. Look at this. Wow. Okay, so we actually have a his and hers walk-in closet. I love that. That's great. All right, and then coming off of the master bedroom is we have the master bath. So we'll turn this on here, turn these lights on. Okay, lots of light. Oh yeah, nice big tub. Look at this. Wow. Okay, nice big soaker tub. That's great. So we're gonna make this like a spa in here. Look at these. Look at these cheap blinds. Oh my gosh. Like, okay, guys, this is how you don't run an Airbnb. Okay, I'll give you lessons on that. Okay, and so then we have I guess, do you call it a his and hers or Jack and Jill or whatever? But we have dual sinks here, so that's great. Oh, look, he's saying there's stuff under here. Is there something under there, buddy? Oh yeah, don't know what that is, but okay, I'll have to clean that out. And then look at this. we have a stand-up shower. You know what? I hate when people put stand-up showers and they cheap out and don't put the glass. Like, come on, put the glass in. Anyway. Oh, the Queen of Thorold has come to grace our presence here again. What do you think of this house, Melissa?
It's nice. Just needs a really good deep clean.
Yeah, I know, right? There's a lot of stuff going on that's just like, oh my gosh. Did you see the tile?
No.
Eric, come look at this tile. You see it?
Oh.
Yeah, look at
Oh.
that. Right? That's
a new one.
That's a big boo-boo. So we gotta call Buddy from the builder here. All right, guys. So we brought you through the house. Melissa and I both think that it needs a lot of work, but I think we're gonna make this place absolutely beautiful. What do you think?
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't need a lot of work. It just needs a little bit of love.
A little bit of love.
Some cleaning.
So next up, guess what we have to do? We have to go
shopping.
What, do you love shopping or something?
I'm gonna go right now.
Yeah, I know you are. Okay, so that is the fun part. I actually kind of like shopping too. Sometimes I have to reel Melissa back because she wants to spend a lot of money. But
what he's talking about.
But I'll keep us on budget. I absolutely promise. But anyways, guys, if you love our content, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on our journey to building an Airbnb empire.